Hello everyone! Today we are making an egg salad. These are the ingredients we need: 7 eggs, 3 slices of lemon, 7 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of mustard, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of paprika. Bring water to a boil with 7 eggs and 3 slices of lemon. Once the water is boiling, boil for 10 minutes. Adding 3 slices of lemon makes it easier to peel the eggshells. See how easy it is to peel it by adding 3 slices of lemon. See how easy it is to peel. Look at that. Cut the eggs into small pieces. Add the mayonnaise, mustard, salt, and paprika to the cut pieces of hard-boiled eggs. Refrigerate to chill before serving either on crackers, bread, or salad. That is it for today. Until next time, bye. Thanks for watching.